Hi, Dave Powell, Integrity Surveying. Welcome to my project. Just sort of talk to you about heating systems. One of the things that we look at when we carry out our survey is the heating and hot water provisions, such as this ordinary boiler. Now, we can tell what's an old boiler, what's a new boiler. We can look at how they work, we can look for tanks, we can look at the radiators. These are all the sorts of things that we check when we're going around doing our survey. Depending on what we find, we would either advise an annual check, an annual service to keep your boilers in good condition, or if we find somewhere where the water's off, the heating's off, we can't get any hot water, we'd recommend an immediate check by a competent person where you can actually gain a certificate from someone to say yes it works or no it doesn't. The reason that's important is that while this thing works, it's really old-fashioned. We've got a hot water tank in a cupboard on the landing and we've got a cold tank in a loft. Now, fortunately it is insulated, but there's many times when tanks in the lofts are insulated and they freeze and they burst and they cause destruction all the way through the property. So what we're doing, we're going to get rid of this and we're going to put in a new combination condensing boiler that's an awfully lot more efficient. So that's one of the things that we look for, and I'd suggest that when you go out looking for properties, have a look, see what sort of boiler it's got. If it's one of these with a hot water tank and with a header tank in the loft, it's going to be an older type. We'd also suggest, if possible, ask the owner to turn on their heating, ask them to turn on the hot water and see if they work, and that might give you a clue as to if there's any issues or not. So hopefully there's a couple of helpful hints that you might find useful when you're going around and looking for your own property, for yourself, your family or investment. Thanks for watching.